Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mosa and this is my introduction video. I am so super excited. I have been meaning to start this channel I don't know, for such a long time now, and I guess I just wasn't comfortable or confident enough to come on here. Not saying that I am like completely confident coming on here, I'm so nervous right now. But you know what? There's always a start. So here I am. Okay. I'm 21 years old. I'm a college student and I live in the world. Okay, this YouTube channel is gonna be mostly about DIY crafts, how to. I'm gonna have informative videos and we're gonna do some lifestyle and vlogging here and there, don't know. But yeah, and I guess we'll see as time goes. So guys, I hope that you subscribe and you like this video so that you guys can so I can be motivated to carry on and post more videos for you guys. And I guess I'll see you in my first video.